Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days. Guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A50. So this video is kind of late because of my vacation, so that's why I couldn't really make this video. So as you can see on the front hand side, the box look very similar to the Galaxy M20 box which I have right here. As you can see, for some reason Samsung doesn't give a box really nice one. I mean, the smartphone itself has really nice specs and stuff, but the box is kind of like cheap, what I would really say. And if you see the S10 box right here, as you can see, it's pretty premium, but it doesn't apply to the A50 because from the box it doesn't look very great. The image is good, but it's kind of glossy and stuff. So if they could really upgrade the box, I would say it will be a really nice touch to this mid-range smartphones. So on the back end side, you are going to see the specs of the A50. So it comes with an Infinity U display, a triple camera setup, and an on-screen fingerprint sensor. So this is something which I'm excited for because not all budget and mid-range smartphones are offering on-screen fingerprint sensor. So as you can see, it has 4G LTE. It also has like full HD AMOLED SMOLED display. It has 3 cameras, 25 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 8 megapixel. It also comes with a like 25 megapixel selfie camera or front camera and 128 GB of storage with 4 GB of RAM. The 128 GB is a really good number in this price bracket because most of the smartphones are offering like 64 GB or like 32 GB in some cases, but Samsung is offering 128 GB of memory in this price point. So opening up the box, the first thing you are going to see is the Galaxy A50 itself, but now Samsung offers another box, well, inside this side or inside this box. So this will contain the cover and paperwork for the smartphone. So it's great, like now most companies are offering a case for smartphones. So as you can see here, we do have a silken case for this smartphone. To be honest, the quality is great. This is something you get for free, so no complaints right here. So inside this area you are also going to find some paperwork. Mine is in Arabic. So as you can see here, we have the Galaxy A50 itself. So this model is in black color, as you can see. So it shines very nicely. It kind of reminds me of Huawei smartphones because they started using this and now this has really become a trend. And to be honest, it does look really nice. It does look kind of different. I mean, it will easily get fingerprint marks and stuff, but if you put a silicone case, I think it would look very stunning. So as you can see, now we will put it aside and we are going to see what else we have in the box. So in the box we are also going to find of adaptive fast charging adapter, which is kind of similar to the S10 also, because S10 also offers a black adapter just like this one. And you are going to see a USB-C, not a micro USB, which is great. Like now smartphones are moving forward with like USB-C and stuff. And in the box you are also going to find some normal looking headphones. I mean, they are not AKG, they are like normal earphones. It just we have seen like on the Galaxy S6 Edge or the S7 one. So these are not the AKG. So inside the box you're also going to find a SIM injecting tool or pin, whatever you want to call it. So guys, as you can see here, we have the Galaxy A50 itself. So I've just got done putting everything aside. So on the right hand side you are going to find the power key and the volume down key and the volume up key. On the bottom hand side you are going to find the speaker, the main mic, the USB-C jack or USB-C port, and you are also going to find the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is something really exciting that Samsung didn't ditch the headphone jack on this smartphone. So on the left hand side you are going to find the SIM card slot for this smartphone. So it does come in the left corner, not like in the middle like most other Samsung smartphones. And on the top end side you are going to find a noise cancelling mic of this smartphone. So the back end side there, like the triple cameras, the flash, and this color changing back. To be honest, because it's made out of plastic, so because of which it's a fingerprint magnet, and in the last 10 minutes as you can see, it is just full of fingerprints. And this is something which is very easy to solve because it does come with the case from Samsung. So if you're going to put the case on, then it's like going to be nice and good. And even if you're using some third-party app, then this shouldn't be a problem. This smartphone does come with the screen protector from Samsung, but this isn't a glass one, so you might have to replace it if you are really feeling that you might drop this smartphone and get a screen crack. But it's great that Samsung does offer it for free. So the thing I love about this smartphone is the display. I mean, it's super AMOLED, super crispy display from Samsung. The only complaint I did have with the M20 is the display, but on this smartphone I think it's really nice. The viewing angles of this smartphone are quite solid. The display also gets very bright, as you can see. So I'm going to keep it in the middle so it's easy for my camera to focus on the display. So because it's using the One UI, everything is very nice and smooth, and that 4 GB of RAM keeps everything very nice and lag free. So the second thing I want to talk about is the cameras of this smartphone. So this was something on which most people were really excited about, and to be honest, the cameras of this smartphone are really nice. I mean, it does have 3 cameras. You also have a wide angle and a normal camera, so it doesn't have the zoom lens like you find in many other smartphones, but I think it uses the second camera for like depth sensing or something like that. But I think I really like is the wide angle, and the main camera doesn't have a lot of difference. I mean, most other smartphones you are going to feel like the main camera and the wide angle has a lot of difference in quality and stuff, but on this smartphone I think both cameras are really good. Of course the main camera is going to have a lot more detail, but I think it's a really good, both cameras on this smartphone are really great. And the second thing I really like is the shutter speed. It's quite quick, and as you can see it gets a lot of details in the picture, which is something which everyone wants in 2019. Guys, last but not least is the fingerprint sensor, and which is something I was really excited about, and I just got done registering my finger in this smartphone, or my fingerprint in this smartphone. And to be honest, it's pretty quick, but one thing to note right here is your finger has to be in the middle for this to really unlock your smartphone, to get in the smartphone, because we are really used to like having the fingerprint sensor on back with like a bump, so we really feel like our fingers on the right place. But on display it's kind of hard, but after using the smartphone for a month or so, then you will really get used to it, and that shouldn't be a problem. Because if I put my finger to the right or the left, as you can see, it won't register. It has to be in the middle so the fingerprint sensor can take an accurate image. And it's pretty quick. I mean, most people are saying it's slow, it takes time, but I think that's not really true, because as you can see I only registered my finger once and it's fast, because I was searching the other day on Google, and I really read an article regarding the fingerprint sensor, and it said that if you really register your finger a couple of times on your smartphone, then it would be a lot faster, because it will have like more image or more data to really process, something which you can really try with your smartphone. So I think guys, that pretty much wraps this video up, and in the future you're also going to see a comparison between the Galaxy A50 and the M20 very soon on my channel. So if you really want it, then make sure to comment down below, and if you really need to see any other videos regarding this smartphone, then let me know in the comment section, and also you can DM me on my Instagram. The link is going to be in the description. So with that being said, thanks for watching and goodbye.